On some truck models, the front of the truck may sit lower than the rear. Truck manufacturers do this to maintain stability of the truck in different types of driving circumstances. For instance, if you hitch a heavy load onto the back of the truck or place a lot of cargo into the back of the truck, the weight will naturally bring the rear of the truck down slightly, making it more balanced with the front of the truck. Even though manufacturers design trucks this way for a purpose, a lot of truck owners find this unsightly and unappealing. This is where a truck leveling kit comes in very handy. Levels are a great solution for truck owners to restore the desired balance to their rides. What is a leveling kit? A leveling kit is the easiest, most effective, most common way to lift and level a truck. A leveling kit mounts to the front struts by lifting the front of the truck by about 2 inches or so, making it more in line with the back of the truck. It effectively eliminates the rake of the truck and only lifts the front by a few inches. Leveling kits differ from lift kits in that lift kits will generally lift the truck up about 2 inches, but the front will still slightly be lower than the rear. At Radco, we vet all of our products carefully to ensure we only offer the best selection to our customers. We've tried numerous different leveling kits from many different brands, so we've seen and experienced it all. In terms of leveling kits for your truck, there are only 3 models we trust time and time again, all from the brand ProRyde. ProRyde is an award-winning patented leveling kit company that offers exceptional quality leveling kits at an affordable price. We highly recommend ProRyde to anyone looking to level their truck without the headache that comes with some of the other models on the market. But which model is best for you? In order to help you find the best leveling kit for your truck model, we'll outline the details of each of our favorite ProRyde leveling kits to help you make an informed buying decision. The ProRyde Lift Machine Kit. Hands down, this product is the innovator leveling kit that launched the adjustable leveling revolution. It received the Best Off-Product Award and has been a leader in leveling kits for many years. The ProRyde Lift Machine Kit gives you the power to lift the front of your truck either 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, or even 3 inches, varying slightly by each truck's make and model. The ride height adjustment is made directly to the strut of the vehicle with a simple turn of a wrench that securely locks in place with an oversized jam nut. The ProRyde Lift Machine Kit is easily installed in the most compact position possible. Because it assembles on the strut of the front end, it eliminates the need for cumbersome coils, spring assembly, or preload associated with other products on the market today. Once it's in place on your front end, you will simply adjust the height of your liking up to 3 inches. So whether you want to perfectly level your truck or leave a little additional height for either the front or the rear, the ProRyde Lift Machine Kit will give you the exact result you want. Truck owners that have to carry heavy loads will love the durability and security this product provides. The ProRyde SuperBlock 3-in-1 kit is for truck owners that want to lift the rear end of their truck. Perfect for those that need to haul extremely heavy equipment on a hitch or directly in their truck bed. This kit features patented leaf spring blocks that will securely lift the back of your truck either 1 inch, 1.5 inches, or 2 inches, varying slightly depending on your truck's make and model. It contains OEM-grade bolts and locks made from rugged cast iron that features integrated center pins with 9 interlocking points of contact. The ProRyde SuperBlock is designed to put a slight rake back in your leveled truck for hauling or towing. It can be compatible with the ProRyde front leveling kit for an all-around 4-corner lift. The ProRyde Torsion Key Kit is trusted among truck owners and offers exceptional lifting security for the front of trucks. The ProRyde Duckhead Torsion Keys are the loading torsion key leveling solution on the market today, hands down. There are many other competitive torsion key products available that have tried to mirror the shape of our OE key and hex but have not come close to the original innovation. We have re-engineered the key itself with a unique patented shape that allows the widest range of on-the-vehicle front height adjustment. The ProRyde Torsion Key Kit is a patented forged system that will allow front-end truck lifts of 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, or 3 inches depending on your truck's make and model. You can easily adjust your height with the OEM at the bottom of the system with the help of the Duckhead Torsion Keys. ProRyde is the only company to offer a complete forged replacement drive system with every kit they sell, so you never have to worry about corroded brackets or strip adjustment. For the best truck leveling kits and other quality truck accessories, you can always trust Radco. Always committed to customer satisfaction, we offer leveling kits for trucks at affordable prices you'll love. Installation of your truck leveling kits can be completed quickly and with ease, and in most cases can be adjusted right on your pickup truck. We guarantee you'll love the look of your vehicle after installing a top quality pickup truck leveling kit. Contact us today to discuss the right leveling option for your specific needs.
Radco, your truck accessories pro.